Welcome to TactEX product introduction. We're going to jump right into it with our first model. This is the advanced STEMI Steve model. This particular model comes outfitted with both left and right radial access, left and right femoral access. It includes the renal stubs. As you notice, it has the lima and the rima and 3 SVG bypass grafts, and also comes with both left and right carotid artery. For this product demonstration, we're going to turn on our intra-aortic balloon pump. By having the renal stubs and the subclavian indication, you can get proper placement of your balloon pump. So for those who are not able to buy the advanced model based on budget, we do offer a focused model. This is a particular modified focus model. The rigid native vessels have been removed and replaced with flexible vessels so that they could actually put disease segments in there. And for this product display, or demonstration, we have another model that is a modified focus unit that has the ventricle removed and longer segments for disease placement. And on this demonstration, we're going to use the CSI Diamondback atherectomy. And as you can see, you can visually watch the bird go past the disease segment. We also have another advanced model, and on this advanced model we've inserted a 14 French sheath with a Impella catheter. On the advanced model, instead of having to fight through the aortic valve, there is a coin slot valve, so it makes your training a lot easier. And on this model we also have a radial access right now with a guide catheter and an interventional wire going down the left LAD. And in this disease segment that's a rigid disease segment, we've installed a balloon and we've inflated the balloon. You can see the dog moaning effect there. Next, we're going to introduce you to our first demo prototype structural heart. With this model, you could train on mitral clip, TAVR valve. Right now our TAVR valve, or our aortic valve, has a catheter placed through it. You can rotate through your valves and your chambers. This is the view of the mitral valve from the inside of the left atrium. And for your appendage occluders, there is your appendage. This is the view from your right ventricle. You can see that the leaflets on the tricuspid valve are moving a little bit slower than what we saw on the aortic valve and mitral. That's due to that this particular model has low pressure venous and high pressure aortic. And for your transeptal sticks, this is your fossa ovalis. So once you've done your transeptal stick, you can go from that view back to your appendage for your appendage occluder. So thank you for viewing. Our contact information is listed down below.